Good morning. Today is yet another beautiful day. I'm going to show you how to do quick head wraps on your head. So first of all, we beat a breakfast over here and then we hop on to that. Like I said earlier, I'm going today to teach you how to do head wraps when you have a bad hair day. So disclaimer, these are my kind of way of doing the hair wraps and according to the shape of my head. So you can have your own kind of way of doing your head wraps, but these are my kind of way of doing the head wraps. And I hope you're going to enjoy. Welcome. This is just some kind of throw kind of head wrap because you're in a hurry or something and you really don't want to go with an embarrassing bad hair. So as simple as that. Those of you who have read Little Red Robin Hood, on this one, I'm just going to add some bunny notes only. And it's as simple as that. from here, the rest of the head wraps, I literally don't know what name to give them. Kindly just click below or comment below and give them names. From here, just give all the head wraps the names you want to give them and comment below, because these are just ways that work for me. So you can go ahead and give a name of either of it, and please tell me which one you like. This is just because of my shape of my head. Emma, you can't be on the 7th minute and you haven't subscribed. Oh my God, what are you waiting for? Join this lovely family where we do everything that is very nice. Please, 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 please. It's absolutely free. Click the red bell or the notification for you to get updates, and the red button that is written subscription. I mean, it's absolutely free. Oh yeah. Ebu ni subscribe hapo, follow. Actually, this is my favorite. What name do you want us to give it? Aki sijui mi nasemanga tu kufunga kitambaa. Which name do you want us to give it? This is my actually favorite style. thank you all for you who have always been supporting me since day one, and continuous support is not gonna go unnoticed. I really appreciate your time that you take to watch. And for today, those who haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly click and share. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. And comment below and tell me which style you like, and give them names, because these are my �𝐾𝐒 styles, 𝐿𝐾𝐒 head wraps. Till next time, God bless you and ciao.
𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒